Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we will discuss HPLC High Performance Liquid Chromatography Part 1A. In HPLC the mobile phase is option A liquid, B gas, C solid, D plasma. Correct option is A liquid. In the reverse phase HPLC the stationary phase is option A polar, B non-polar, C aqueous, option D ionic. Correct option is B non-polar. The most common detector used in HPLC is option A UV visible detector, B multiplier tube, C infrared detector, option D mass spectrometer. Correct option is A UV visible detector. Subscribe now and press the bell icon, never miss an update from a technologist. Which of the following gases is commonly used is the mobile phase in gas chromatography? Option A oxygen, B carbon dioxide, C helium, option D chlorine. Correct option is C helium. Which type of chromatography separates compounds based on their molecular size? Option A ion exchange chromatography, B affinity chromatography, C size exclusion chromatography, and option D 10-layer chromatography. Correct option is C size exclusion chromatography. The indicator used in redox titration is option A phenolphthalein, B methylene, C diphenylamine. Correct option is C diphenylamine. Which type of titration involves EDTA is a reagent? Option A acid-base titration, B redox titration, C complexometric titration, option D precipitation titration. Correct option is C complexometric titration. Which of the following acids is used in Kerr-Fisher titration? Option A hydrochloric acid, B sulfuric acid, C perchloric acid, D iodine and sulfur dioxide and methanol. Correct option is D iodine and sulfur dioxide and methanol. What is the role of silver nitrate in more methods? Option A acid-base titration, B precipitation titration, C redox titration, D complexometric titration. Correct option is B precipitation titration. The stationary phase in gas chromatography is usually option A liquid or solid, B gas, C plasma, D water. Correct option is A liquid or solid. A non-aqueous titration is performed using option A sodium hydroxide, B lithium methoxide, potassium, option C, potassium permanganate, option D, acetic acid. Correct option is B, lithium methoxide. Which technique is used to measure optical activity? Option A, IR spectroscopy, B, polarimetry, C, HPLC. Correct option is B, polarimetry. TLC plates are coated with option A, silica gel, B, activated charcoal, C, magnesium sulfate, D, sodium chloride. Correct option is A, silica gel. Limit of detection LOD refers to option A, the lowest quantity of analyte detected, B, the highest concentration measurable, option C, the total impurity limit, option D, the average molecular weight. Correct option is A, the lowest quantity of analyte detected. Which of the following is a thermal analysis technique? Option A, NMR, B, IR spectroscopy, C, differential scanning calorimetry, DSC. Option D, X-ray diffraction. Correct option is C, differential scanning calorimetry. The accuracy in pharmaceutical analysis refers to the option A, closeness to the true value, B, reproducibility of results, C, instrument sensitivity, D, variation in readings. Correct option is A, closeness to the true value. The process of calibration ensures option A, accuracy and precision of instruments, B, increased detection limits, C, purity of compounds, D, sample dilution. Correct option is A, accuracy and precision of instruments. The USP and BPR. Option A, pharmacopoeias, B, instrumentation techniques, C, chromatographic method, option D, drug classifications. Correct option is A, pharmacopoeias. Which method is most commonly used for determining heavy metals? Option A, atomic absorption spectroscopy, B, gas chromatography, C, HPLC, D, UV visible spectroscopy. Correct option is A, atomic absorption spectroscopy. Coefficient titration is used for option A, water content determination, B, pH measurement, C, salinity estimation, D, protein quantification. Correct option is A, water content determination. A reverse phase of HPLC involves option A, a non-polar stationary phase and a polar mobile phase. Option B, a polar stationary phase and a non-polar mobile phase. Option C, ion exchange. And option D, gas-liquid interaction. Correct option is A, non-polar stationary phase and a polar mobile phase. The endpoint of an acid-base titration is detected by option A, pH indicator, B, solubility test, C, precipitate formation, D, melting point. Correct option is A, pH indicator. The titrant used in coefficient titration is option A, iodine, B, sodium hydroxide, C, hydrochloric acid, and option D, ethanol. Correct option is A, iodine. Thank you for watching my videos.